Hey guys, what's up? So, today I'm gonna show you how to run Android 16 on pretty much any Windows PC. Yep, no need to buy a new device, even though Android 16 is still on testing, and no phones got the update yet. You can still check it out right on your computer. You'll be able to install and use all your Android apps, even your favorite games, straight from Google Play Store. Light games? No problem. Some heavy ones? Yeah, they'll run too, and it works smooth whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Once you've got it set up, you can browse YouTube, stream videos, basically use just like an Android phone. And don't worry, everything's running through Google's Android Emulator, so it's safe, no viruses or weird stuff. Alright, before we jump into the setup, there is one quick thing. You gotta make sure virtualization is turned on your BIOS. Super easy to check. Just open Task Manager, go to Performance tab, click CPU, and look for virtualization. If it says enabled, you're good. If not, you'll need to head into your BIOS settings and turn it on. To head into your BIOS, you can follow this image or search it in Google. Now, BIOS looks a little different on every PC, but if you're basically looking for something called Intel Virtualization Technology, or VTX if you've got Intel, or SBM if you're on AMD, save and exit, then reboot back into Windows. After your PC restarts, they will check in the Task Manager the virtualization is enabled. If it is, nice, close it out. Next step, we're gonna turn on something called Virtual Machine Platform in Windows. That just lets the emulator to use your hardware properly, so Android runs smoother. To do it, just click on Windows Start menu and search for Windows features. Click on Turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down till you see Virtual Machine Platform and check the box. Hit OK and let Windows apply the changes. Then restart your PC again. Cool. Now the fun part. Open a browser and search for Android Studio and head over to the official website, download it. Install it and you're ready to roll. When installation is completed, click on Finish and launch the application. Select Done Send. Choose Next. Choose Standard Installation option. Click on Next. Again, click on Next. Accept terms and conditions and click on Next. Wait a few minutes here to complete the download process. Click on Yes. Now click on Finish. Now Android Studio is installed to your computer. You can access to Android Studio. Click on More Action. Choose SDK Manager. Now choose Android 16 Backlava, API Label 36, and Revision 2. Check this box, click Apply and download and install files. After that, click on More Action, choose Virtual Device Manager, click on the plus button to create a new device. Different types of devices are here. Whatever you want to test, you can choose, but we're choosing tablet. And choose Pixel Tablet, click on Next. Click on the drop down, select API 36, which is Android 16, and now here, make sure Google Play Store is selected. From this list, choose the first option. This is a stable release. This version will give you the most reliable performance. Go to Additional Settings, choose Resource Allocation as per the system requirements. Now click on Finish. Pixel Tablet is there and a play button is there. Click on Start. And now, log in with a Gmail ID and boom, that's it. Thanks for watching guys. If this helped you out, smash the like and hit subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one.